As the world grapples with rapid urbanization, environmental degradation, and a growing housing crisis, one question looms large. Where and what kind of homes will we live in? The answer isn't concrete. It's not timber either. We need innovation that delivers speed, affordability, and sustainability, all in one. One promising solution is low-cost, organic composite homes built using advanced 3D printers. Let's start with the problem first. The construction industry consumes over 40% of all materials extracted globally, excluding water. It generates 40% of the world's solid waste every year. It's responsible for 10% of global emissions, and when you include heating and cooling, that figure skyrockets to 40%. And with all this utter destruction, what we get in return? A global housing affordability crisis. Chronic labor shortages with continuous construction delays. But it's not the end, it gets worse. We are running out of construction materials. Yes, we're running out of sand. Not desert sand, but construction-grade sand, which is mined from riverbeds and ocean beds, destroying ecosystems. Topsoil for bricks. That competes directly with agriculture. Once it's gone, the land becomes infertile. In 2024 alone, sand exports crossed $2.5 billion. Topsoil is now a traded commodity. Qatar imports it from Pakistan. This isn't just unsustainable. It's absurd. We need a solution that addresses all core issues: cost, speed, sustainability, and material scarcity without creating new problems. Anything less isn't a true solution. Homes must be affordable and accessible to the masses, not just impressive on paper. It may sound difficult, but it's not. By using organic polymers, not fossil-derived, but made from biomass, bio-waste, or even carbon dioxide. These polymers can be engineered into composites that are renewable, recyclable, affordable, and printable at astonishing speeds. With current technology, it's possible to 3D print a 100 square meters home, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, in just 24 hours. Sounds magical? It's not. I know it's possible, because I've already done it. After over a decade of intense research, I invented a material called Lignik that can be best described as a biosynthetic wood, made from waste and carbon dioxide, fully recyclable, and printable with standard 3D printers. Initial cost modeling suggests that a vertically integrated company could 3D print a 2-bedroom home in just one day for $10,000, but that was done pre-lockdowns. So, at this point, technology is no longer the barrier. Which leads to the real question: why isn't it happening? Why aren't we seeing a flood of renewable composite materials driving the rise of low-cost, 3D printed homes across the world? It's because the solution benefits the masses, not the individuals. Scientists won't pursue it. It demands a decade of work with minimal publications and little recognition until the very end. Companies won't adopt it. They seek high margins, not low-cost disruption that empowers the public but doesn't enrich them. Governments won't back it. Decision-makers don't grasp the technology and aren't personally affected by housing affordability. Politicians won't push it because solving the housing crisis lifts the fear of mortgage debt, and fear keeps people quiet. Lignik, a material I invented, is internationally recognized as a breakthrough. But because it doesn't serve the interests of these groups, it won't be used to build homes. And this video isn't about Lignik. That's a story for another time, and if you're curious, let me know. I've explored Lignik's practical potential in my novel Nuriva and Tangora, where fiction meets engineered reality. I mentioned Lignik here for one reason: to prove that renewable composite materials can be used to 3D print a 2-bedroom house in one day. The real solution: public pressure. Lignik has proven the technology exists. Others can replicate it to develop better and lower-cost renewable composite materials. You don't need my material, you need the vision. What's missing isn't innovation. It's demand. Public demand. A collective voice that says, we want homes that are fast, clean, and affordable, priced below the median annual salary. Until next time, keep filling the bandwidth.